Have you ever been stuck trying to connect to a server only to be met with frustrating errors? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Python sockets and SSL, specifically the EOF error that can leave you scratching your head. I completely understand how annoying it is when your code seems perfect, but you still run into errors. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with SSL in Python. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked about an EOF error occurring in their Python Echo client server program while trying to authenticate the server on the client's side. They are using Python version 2.7.12 on Ubuntu 14.04.5 LTS. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this EOF error? It often relates to issues with SSL certificates or mismatched protocols. We'll break down the potential pitfalls and how to resolve them step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these SSL issues in the future. To address the issue of the EOF error, the user should first ensure that the server's SSL configuration is correct. This includes verifying that the server is using the correct certificate and key files. Next, the user should check the SSL version being used. The server code specifies SSL version 1.2, which is good, but the user should confirm that both the client and server are compatible with this version. The user should also confirm that the client is correctly loading the server's certificate for verification. This is crucial for establishing a secure connection. Additionally, the user should check the common name in the certificate. The client code checks for common name in the certificate, so it must match the expected value. Finally, the user should test the connection again after making these adjustments. This will help determine if the changes resolved the EOF error. Fun fact, SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it was originally developed by Netscape in the 1990s. Today, it's a crucial part of internet security. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach highlights several issues in the original code. First, the server's connection variable is unnecessarily initialized to none, and it suggests wrapping the server socket instead of the client socket. For the client, it points out a minor inconsistency in error handling and recommends a more robust way to check certificate attributes. Additionally, it emphasizes the importance of proper cleanup after an error occurs to prevent protocol violations. Lastly, it explains that both self-signed certificates must be loaded in both applications for mutual authentication to work correctly. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your SSL certificates updated and regularly check your code for compatibility issues. This habit can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the EOF error and get your Python Echo client server program running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep your code clean and your certificates updated.